Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum playgroup. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, today is your English class, and in this class we learn about the letter, its phonic and its written pattern. Okay. In our previous lecture we learned the letter K and L. Okay. Today we learn a new letter, and this letter is letter M. Student, this is your letter M. Look at this. M. M. Monkey. The word monkey starts with the letter M. Monkey. Monkey. Milk. Milk is also start with the letter M. Man. Man. Look at this. This is your letter M. Its phonic is M. Monkey. M. Milk. M. Man. I have some new pictures. Look at this. Moon. Moon. Mosque. Mosque. Mango. Motorcycle. Okay. I'm repeating again. Look at this. Motorcycle. Moon. Mosque. Mango. Now open your reader. Look at this. Here's your reader. Open page number 29. This is your page number 29. The topic is M. First of all, mention the date. Today date is 9 December. Topic M. Moon. Monkey. Moon. Monkey. Come to the next page. Man. Motorcycle. Man. Motorcycle. This is your page number 29 and 30. Learn these two pages. Now student, story time. I have a story of letter M for you. Listen. Moon is shining in the sky at night. Moon. Okay. Moon is shining in the sky at night. Look at this. Moon is shining in the sky at night. A monkey is sitting on the bench. Monkey. Monkey. A monkey is sitting on the bench and eating banana. Look at this. A monkey is sitting in the bench and eat banana. It throw the peels of banana on the road. Look in this picture, student. Mango eat banana and throw peels of the peel of banana throw in the road. Is this a good thing? No. A man is going on the motorcycle. Look at this. A man is going in the motorcycle. Look at this. His motorcycle slips off the banana peel and he get hurt. His motorcycle slipped from the peel of banana and he slipped. And he hurt. Okay. He cries loudly. Ah. Okay. Because he hurt. Okay. He hurt his leg. Okay. Student, I have an activity for you. Science activity. Show the magnet. Okay. Take a magnet and touch with a nail or key. Look. Okay. Look. Watch the result of magnet and nail or key. Okay. Now student, is this a good thing or bad thing? Don't throw the peel or anything on the road. Okay. Now come to the written work. Students, how we write M? Draw a standing line like this. Look. Okay. Draw a line like this. Touch with the second cross line, and then again draw a line with the to touch with the skyline, and then draw again a standing line. This is your M. Student, don't write M like this. Don't write wrong way. Okay, write M like this. Okay, this is your M. Again, playgroup, write M like this. Touch with the second cross line. Okay, touch with the second cross line. Now come to your notebook. Students, this is your notebook. Write date at the top of the page. Write homework, also the day. Topic recognize and write letter M. Okay, you write letter M like this. Okay, this is your homework page. Read and learn the phonic and also the reader, and write this page as your homework page. I hope you learn the letter M. Allah Hafiz.